So we're doing install of engine bars for the BMW R1250 RT. So I've taken off all the plastic panels. The panels are over there. I've taken off this panel here, this engine panel here, and the fairing up here. So now I'm taking out these T50 bolts, which are engine mount bolts. Take out 2 of those, and then I have to go and get the replacement parts. The replacements are not torque, they are Allen key bolts. So I have this up on the center stand, those 2 bolts. As you see, here's the instructions. So I'll go and get the other parts now. Bar engine, plastic bungs to block up the holes. They're just these things. Don't know why they didn't come already installed. There's another one fit there. Bang it in with a rubber hammer. Then look at the diagram. It was like that. We look round here. There, like that. And that goes there. And that goes in there. Yeah, it's in the way. So there we are. This does not fit. Hello. I'm doing the upper engine mount. I need to stand over here for that. So I assume there's a lot of Loctite on this. Okay, so we're doing the left hand side now. I already have the right hand side on. I didn't want to have you see my struggles, so I have to remove these 2 torque bolts from the engine frame. As part, the engine is a stress member of the frame. So pull it out. Oh, that was my elbow. So these 2 come out. they're torqued to like 40 Newton meters, which isn't very much. And they're replaced with two 8mm hex bolts. Don't lose that. Oh yes, that's that washer. That washer lives there. So we offer this up, have everything in our hands. That's very much in the way. Offer that up there. See, there's a spacer. There goes a washer. Spacer, washer, that in my hand, just put that on a couple of threads. So now we take this, just put it through there. Put the spacer on the back, goes in the hole. Take the other one, put it there, put the spacer, and just screw it in. There we go. Screw it in. And torque them up. 40 Newton meters, which is like 2 white knuckles in the old money. There we go. I will torque them properly with a torque wrench. And this is how you put the bung in. You offer the bung up to the hole, press it in with your fingers a little bit. Rubber mallet, tap, 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 tap. Same here. Press it with my fingers. Oops. Don't want to go in there because it's not tightened down yet. There we go. Hold on to that. Tap, tap, tap. So now we have to tighten up the front part. These. And I'm going to need 2 wrenches. That'll be simple enough. There we are. This is the appropriate wrench. It is a 19mm. 19mm. Just turn them on. Well, that didn't work. So we have to find a way of tightening that up. Well, hopefully my arms are long enough. Definitely need a bigger garage. Definitely need a bigger garage. Well, a pair of hands would help too.